All right, we're here in the Thunderdome here in Newport, Tennessee, at Incredible Tiny Homes. As you guys can see, we're going to walk out here and show you this beautiful cottage, all right? Not done yet, but I've got to debut it and I've got to show you. We're trying to finish up here. This is our beautiful off-road tiny home, a 24-footer. We're going to do a show tomorrow showing all the amenities that's involved in that. We got our woody line going on down here. Of course, this is a model home, a custom home with a thatch roof. But before I say any more, and you guys are getting like, Randy, show me all them. Let's go down here and I'm going to show you the cottage. Now, it's not done, but this is a cottage. So listen to my plan, all right? Listen to this sucker and let's go look at it, all right? I love coming in here and showing you the activity of all the guys working.
Look, Randy, it all quit.
Everybody quit.
Everybody quit.
Yeah, as soon as we walk away, they quit.
Nobody's working anymore. And too, I just want to mention, we both have brand new microphones.
Yes, you guys.
And you can hear us.
Very sleek.
Both very sleek. Ooh, we're so fancy today.
Yeah. So, all right, here is the Incredible Cottage. Now,
wow.
It's under construction. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. We're going to be putting a floor plan on site on our website. Also, I've got a beautiful guy I talked to today. His name's Marcus. We're going to debut him. He is going to he's going to be doing the CGI drawings of this. Maybe in about a week we can have a beautiful rendering, show you guys exactly what it is. But what I'm going to show to you, because we've been doing this for a year now, using our panels, these are the new panels.
The new panels.
This is going to have a covered front porch, right? 2-post covered front porch. It's the cottage, everybody.
I'm so
now,
excited.
just the way it is right here with the covered front porch, and it'll be the same amenities as an Incredibox.
Okay.
$34,900.
$34,900.
Okay.
No painting, no nothing.
No paint, just like the Incredibox. Now, come on here. Let's look at these panels.
I'm trying to get in the best position.
Just to get you guys a good look. Now, we have been practicing with the panels. The trim's going to change out. We've learned a couple different design techniques. No fasteners. All right?
Wow.
What I'm going to do on the outside of every Incredible Cottage is I'll probably end up, there's a window that goes here, and the one on the other side I haven't put in yet. I'm going to put LP siding for our corners.
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
Now we got two ways of buying this cottage. Is that not beautiful?
Look at that.
Listen,
10 foot
two
wide.
2 3/4 inch thick styrofoam, this closed cell foam. These are the panels. You get these panels for the $34,900. It's got 5 windows, a covered front porch. There is no loft in here. It's all living on the same floor.
Yeah.
I'm going to go inside and explain the floor plan. We will be putting it on our website. If you go back into our YouTube library, you'll be able to see that we did a video on the floor plan and how it's going to look. And I got an inspirational picture that we used to debut it. But now that we've got it on here, I've been wanting to do this, but we've got so many plans. We've got to be in Abbeville Thursday for a meeting. We got a planning commission meeting, so you guys keep your fingers crossed for there. And then, of course, we've got our Incredibox assembly line. It's been pumping out homes 3 and 4 a day, getting to people that have ordered these homes months ago, and then we're going to get back on schedule. All right, so come on over here. Let's take
now we're calling this. Is it same floor living or single floor living or?
Yeah, single floor
level living.
Yeah.
One level living.
Whatever you would like to call it, Amanda.
One level
single,
living.
plain, same, Jane. Yes. I like how these come with a plastic coating, right? And the trim. So this company is actually bending the trim for us too. Okay?
Are they?
Which this is what we're hoping, that the assembly of these may increase our volume of productivity.
Yes.
We just have to get all the bugs out of it. We're not start from scratch, but it is a whole different process than what we've been doing. Amanda, I didn't get you a ladder up here.
Yes, for sure.
Yep, and we can walk in here in a minute.
And two, this is the extra part of the Thunderdome. Remember we added on, what was it, 100 Thunderdome? That's the original Thunderdome. And right here is the extra.
Now this is I'm
getting on that bucket.
Yeah. We get on the bucket.
Okay, I'm gonna get on that bucket,
Hey,
and it's gonna kick out, and I'm gonna fall.
No, you want me to hold the camera so you can
how's
get
that
up there?
help? I don't know how that will help.
There she is. There's Ace.
Hey, look, here's me. Here's the bucket.
Here's bucket.
Here's
well,
me.
can't see the bucket.
And
Ace
it says,
Ace there's food in that bucket, and I flipped it upside
Look,
down.
the bucket says, look here, do it right.
Do it.
Do it right. Okay, so Yeah, that ain't gonna work.
She's up there.
I'm in a dress.
Stand up on that thing. Now put your left leg up on the deck.
Well, turn the camera.
I'll put it up here like that.
We'll put it somewhere.
We can't see nothing. There you go. What? It's a family show. Okay, go.
Family show. Okay.
I got her anyway.
Ow! I ain't believing you did that. Give me that. You're awful.
Man.
I'm gonna have to edit that.
Yeah.
Now how am I gonna get down?
Same way you got up. All right, listen.
Okay.
So before we go in, it's a 48-inch porch, covered front porch. So your windows, your doors, you can have a seat out here. I thought about a swing, but probably not. You're gonna have the self-supporting swing because this is a solid panel up here that you're gonna have in 2 posts. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
We're thinking about putting on the deluxe model. So this is $34.9. This is an Incredibox. It has no trim extra. You guys can do it yourself. Or if you want us to make it look just like the rendering, the inspirational picture, it's $49.9. Okay, so $34.9 like it is, or $49.9, and I'm talking mini split, wood shake shingles, windows inside, you know, the window trim inside and out, flower boxes, shutters, everything ready to move in, done for $49.9. It's a 10 by 20. Move on.
Look, move on.
All right, so look at here. Look, you got a vaulted ceiling.
I love that.
I made this one a little bit too tall. We got to come down actually 6 inches. We're above our 13.6, but that's fine.
Oh, good, then this one's mine.
The kitchen. So the kitchen, it will be along here.
Okay.
And this is what I love, everybody. You guys that have been wanting a kitchen separate from the bathroom, this design will do it. All right. So you got a kitchen. The kitchen is 9 feet. All right. So from the door, this is 8 feet. This is 9 feet right here. All right. So from this wall across, right here, is all kitchen, living room, dining room.
Yes.
And I love this. All right, now,
I love it.
I've been a little bit hesitant, like on the RJO and the Freedom, we separated the kitchen from the living room. But this one is made for a bedroom and in utility, closet space. This feels like a cottage. It feels like a home, right? This would be beautiful on the lake, up in the mountains.
At Amanda's house.
At Amanda's house. It's got a gable, shed roof. You guys, this is amazing. $34.9, 10 by 20, complete home ready to live in. Now, if you want to just add a mini split to just this unit, you can. It'll be mounted up here and then near this wall, because we'll run our line set up through here by the washer and dryer.
Wow.
Washer and dryer hookup. Okay, so here you got this wall, and I know you guys, I'm painting this picture for you, so put on your imagination hats.
Yes.
And for the $49.9 barn door in the bathroom, all wood trim inside and outside, painted, everything looking beautiful, all right? That's turnkey. $34.9, like the Incredibox. So we got here there'll be an opening for the go into the bedroom. Like I said, kitchen, plugs, everything. All right, look at what we're doing with the plugs also. We're putting them inside the wall. See inside here? They're going in the wall. They will not be
in the wall.
There won't be in the trim. Right behind you, Amanda, here is another plug. Is it too dark in here?
No, it's fine.
All right. There's actually another window there's 2 more windows in here, one in the bathroom and one in the bedroom.
Okay.
Hey,
look how it looks right there, just with the 2 windows, and it's going to have little windows.
I know. Look, you open your door. You got a screen door, you know, because you can your main door go this way. You can have a screen door. You got 2 2030 windows. I love it. This is the Cottage, and it's vaulted, and you can have a ceiling fan. You can have a love seat. You can have a sofa. You can have your TV. This is a Cottage.
Oh my God.
All right, Amanda. So let's switch with you. The floor plan, like I said, will be on our website shortly. When you come into your barn door, to the left, you step in behind that 9-foot wall. Right here is close to a 48-inch closet. Full closet, right? All the way to here. So the ceiling, it'll go straight down, and you're going to have all this room. Now, for the $34.9, it'll just be a wall right here, and you guys will make your own door and finish it all out. If you get it for $49.9, we'll put a closet door and trim it all out. Okay? It's great for DIY. Great for Airbnb. Now, over here you got your washer and dryer. So as you come in your bedroom, closet this side, washer and dryer over here.
Yes.
Okay? And you're going to have a wall there, which could be a great place to mount a TV. Washer and dryer, you have your toilet, okay? And then you got a sink it's plumbed in the floor, but we'll mount the sink if you do the 49.9, and then you got your 36-inch shower. Now, I've thought about going with a 32-inch shower, on this side of this is an interior wall, and this is where the bed sits, all right? Now, in my floor plan, I made the bed run this way, all right? Head to foot, foot to head on this side. The reason I did that is because of this wall, about a 20-inch closet, deep closet, gives you about 44 inches between a full-size or a queen mattress and the wall of the closet, which is plenty room to navigate through. I can't show you because of this closet, this shower's in here. But everything fits. Think about this. Washer and dryer, right? Your toilet, sink, shower, and there's a wall. You got a barn door that you go into your bathroom. The washer and dryer is open into the bedroom, so there's a wall here, goes up to the ceiling, no loft or anything. So you got your full bathroom, just like any Credit-Box bathroom. Over here is your bed. Your bed can fit all over here. If you got a single bed, the storage is going to be crazy.
Oh my gosh.
If you had a single bed, now you got room for an armoire or a dresser, here. And then if you got a 48-inch closet.
You're going to have a ton of space.
So man, I love it that if somebody didn't want a washer and dryer, you got enough room for closet space again, but you actually have a closet. This is a home, right? You come outside, you're going to have room for a refrigerator right here, sink base. I think there's 3 cabinets. I can't remember. And so it's refrigerator cabinet, sink base cabinet, another cabinet. You're done. Isn't that awesome?
Plenty.
Now, in the kitchen, if you guys want more, you got to understand this wall is going to go up to here, but way up there. You're going to have this big wall right here. So you could have shelving more up here. Later on, if it's a DIY, you can put a shelf up here or a little loft. I don't want to do that. I want to leave it open, but you do have the option for more taller space. And a ceiling fan will be in here hanging down. This is the Cottage. One more little caveat to this design. And hang on with me, guys. Still keep your, I don't feel like I'm in Sesame Street. Keep your imagination hats on. Caps. All right. One caveat to this I want to add to this. We're going to build a couple of these ASAP. This is also going to be an Incredible. It is an Cottage.
Add a Cottage. Now go over the really quick.
All right.
What was the size of this?
This is 10 by 20.
10 by 20, and the Add a Cottage.
10 by 20.
10 by 20.
So think about this.
Dear
you know,
Lord.
have you had Boxable? They're 20 by 20.
Yes.
And they say they're 50 grand and all that stuff. You look into that, it's a whole lot more than what they're saying. And,
Yes.
and listen, I love their engineering. I hope they just go crazy. And I didn't do this to compete, but it's such a concept. I thought, well, wait a minute. So think about this. 10 by 20, full bedroom, full bathroom, right? And kitchen, living room. This window can be taken out into the floor, and this is a doorway.
Wow.
You put another Incredible Cottage next to this,
Yes.
which is Add a Cottage. You step into this room with no kitchen.
Dear
So this can be a living room in here, next door, and another bedroom, bathroom.
Wow.
So it could be 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, dining room, living room.
Wow.
And the Add Cottage is going to be $29,900, $30,000.
Wow.
So you're looking for $65,900. Was it $65,900? Yeah. You have a 400 square foot, and I'm going to get modular certified. 400 square foot home that fits every modular certification in the country.
Wow.
2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, completely done with a 4 foot by 20 foot covered front porch.
Where's the other bathroom?
It's this bathroom back here, this whole bedroom bathroom will be over there.
Oh my gosh.
So you got 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms.
And then you've got a living room, dining room, kitchen, 2 bedroom, 2 bath.
Can't beat it, man.
So if you got a washer and dryer here, hey buddy, you got a washer and dryer here, you can use the other washer and dryer for a closet. The other one have 2 closets, Amanda. Or you could have one as a pantry.
The room.
I'm super excited about this whole concept. I'm also excited about these new panels. You see how the panels are loading? Look. Now.
I'm scared of this.
Oh, buddy. So
okay,
our new panels will be white, but they will not have this texture. They're going to be smooth, right?
Yeah.
And that's what we're just practicing with this one. This is our prototype home.
Yeah.
And we're all excited about this. We're just trying to, yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool?
That is
Darn. So, I love this. I'm excited about it. And the biggest thing I'm excited about is the future of assembling these things in rapid time, right? Super fast, doing it like the Incredibox, getting them out of here in a day, 3 or 4 in a day if we can get to that point. All right, so this is the Incredi-Cottage for $34.09. It'll be looking just like the Incredibox. All the amenities that you see in an Incredibox will be here. Thank you for putting on your imagination hat with me. This is just something, if you guys are wanting this, it'd be great to know that if you're interested, give us an email, call, text, send out a carrier pigeon, whatever you can to let us know if you like my new concept, like what we're doing with it, like the price, and if you like to put maybe a deposit down, you want to maybe get going on this, that helps us to know we've got to order these panels. These panels are out 8 weeks, all right? So we need to know now because it's going to be 8 weeks before we can get the panels. On the Incredibox, you're thinking maybe timing on this. We're probably looking, it's going to be built on our Incredibox line right now until we find out how busy or how popular this model will be. And if it is, we'll probably be building it in a Thunderdome or see, but I love this concept. It's a little bit more money than the Incredibox, but look what you're getting. Look what you're getting on the sides, a 10 by 24 front porch, covered front porch, all right? So there you have it. And if you wanted to add a cottage, right out that window, we cut a door and you can add 2 homes together at 400 square feet. We're working on the modular certification like we said earlier, and I'm just kind of putting all that back in and displayed at the end of this video to give you an excitement that I have about this home. So thank you. Email us if you're interested, of course, and you can go to sales@incredibletinyhomes.com or info@incredibletinyhomes.com or give us a call and we'll be glad to take your call. All right, everybody. Thank you for this video. And again, stay tuned because this cottage is going to be done and then we'll give you a final examination. All right. Thank you.